Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. A weak front brushed along the south coast of the country today, where there was also some light rain, and along with that it was very windy for much of the Eastern Cape coastline. Further behind the front, very strong to gale force winds developed around the Cape Peninsula, and those also caused minor damage for some areas around Cape Town. While inland it was much calmer, although a few afternoon thunderstorms developed in places clearly shown on our enhanced satellite imagery. The Synoptic Analysis shows that front moving away on Sunday. It's going to be a cloudy and much cooler day in KwaZulu-Natal, while in the west sunshine will be dominating over the Cape provinces. Afternoon thunderstorms developing over the eastern interior of the country, and it will become especially stormy for Mpumalanga, Gauteng, as well as some areas in the eastern Free State. The wind forecast shows light to moderate winds over the interior, fresh winds still expected for Cape Town, as well as for some areas along the east coast of the country. There is one warning in place for Sunday, and that's for a high fire danger over much of western South Africa, where runaway fires could develop. And there is also a watch for the potential for severe thunderstorms to develop over Gauteng and the adjacent areas. So do take care if you're going to be driving across those areas in the afternoon. Some of those thunderstorms could be quite strong. Here's a look at your detailed forecast, and while most of the Northern Cape will be sunny and dry around Kimberley and Portsmouthburg, there could be a couple of afternoon thunderstorms popping up. Moving into the Western Cape, where it's going to be a dry day, lighter winds for Cape Town, allowing the maximum temperature to reach 29 degrees. It will be cool on the other hand all across the south coast, still some cloud cover in these areas, while inland we see more sunshine. Beaufort West gets to 27. Light rain possible for some areas in the Eastern Cape, including Matatiele, Port St John's and East London, while most of the interior will be dry, and Aliwal North gets to 30 degrees. For KZN, cloudy and cool conditions all across the province, along with light rain in places, and there could be a few thunder showers later on around Ladysmith and Newcastle. Thunderstorms become scattered during the second half of the day for Mpumalanga. It's going to be a cloudy and cool day for Bombela with a maximum of 21. And in Limpopo, we see a few thunder showers expected for this province, although Musina in the far north remains dry and very hot, 36 your maximum. Thunderstorms will pop up in places in the northwest during the second half of your Sunday. Mahikeng and Klerksdorp both climb to 34 degrees. And it's also going to be a hot day for some parts of the Free State. Bloemfontein dry at 33 degrees, while Harrismith will be cool with scattered storms later on. And finally, for Gauteng, there is a 60% chance for thunder showers in the province, but that won't stop the temperatures from climbing into the lower 30s. Monday brings more thunderstorms to eastern South Africa, and if you're looking for a beach day, Cape Town is your best bet with a maximum of 25 degrees. And similar conditions extend into Tuesday, when it's going to be mostly cloudy and cooler once again for KZN.